Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore how the silent revolution of artificial intelligence, or AI, is making waves and transforming the maintenance and operational efficiency of various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and consumer products. We're going to highlight some of the everyday applications of AI in these industries, giving you a glimpse into the future of maintenance tasks. Let's get started. In recent years, we've seen AI weave its way into every corner of our modern world. It's been a silent revolution, often working behind the scenes, automating repetitive tasks, spotting anomalies in workflows, predicting future activities, and responding accordingly. One of the areas where AI is making a big splash is in the maintenance tasks and operational efficiency of various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and consumer products. Take the manufacturing industry, for instance. This sector has begun to see a significant AI-driven transformation, with even greater potential on the horizon. However, one of the biggest challenges for manufacturing companies is finding skilled technicians who are trained to implement, maintain, and optimize these emerging AI technologies. One of the most popular applications of AI in manufacturing is predictive maintenance. Many manufacturers still operate reactive maintenance programs, fixing machines as they break. Some have implemented preventive strategies based on preset time or usage schedules, which can help reduce downtime and emergency repair costs. But AI-powered predictive maintenance systems are a game changer. They collect real-time data from critical assets through sensor technology, providing round-the-clock monitoring of performance. When things like temperature or vibration fall out of normal ranges, it can indicate that an asset needs attention before a failure occurs. This data triggers an alert to the maintenance manager, who can then deploy a technician immediately. This proactive approach can reduce downtime, save on repair costs, and optimize production schedules. Another application is in quality control. Traditional quality control methods on production lines, like human inspection or random product sampling, can miss defective end products. But AI-driven computer vision systems can inspect every product on the line for defects with unmatched precision. This ensures consistent product quality, enhances customer satisfaction, and minimizes recalls and returns. AI also plays a crucial role in supply chain optimization. Manufacturers heavily rely on their supply chains to provide needed materials and parts for maintenance operations. AI algorithms can predict demand, balance inventory levels, and streamline logistics to reduce costs and enhance efficiency. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the healthcare industry. Optimizing maintenance operations in healthcare can mean higher quality care, improved patient comfort and outcomes, and lower operational costs. AI is beginning to redefine how medical equipment and facilities are maintained. For instance, conventional methods of maintaining critical medical equipment can have negative repercussions for patients. However, AI-powered sensors can continuously monitor the condition of medical devices, alerting staff to issues in real time, which reduces downtime and ensures patient safety. AI-driven systems can also help optimize hospital facility management, like heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems, lighting, and security systems. Some areas in a hospital, such as intensive care units or spaces where sensitive medical equipment is used, may require precise temperature or humidity levels. AI can help improve things like energy efficiency, air quality, and patient comfort, resulting in lower operational costs and higher patient and family satisfaction. In the agricultural industry, AI is helping to increase yield, reduce waste, and optimize operations through precision farming and livestock monitoring. AI-powered drones and autonomous tractors collect data on soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns. This information enables farmers to make data-driven decisions about planting, irrigation, and pest control, leading to higher crop yields and resource efficiency. The consumer products industry also benefits from AI-driven technology. Just like in manufacturing, AI-driven inspection systems identify product defects, ensuring that only high-quality items reach consumers. AI can also optimize supply chains by predicting demand fluctuations, improving inventory management, and enhancing delivery logistics. One unique way AI supports this industry is through personalization of marketing. AI algorithms can analyze consumer data to offer personalized product recommendations, potentially increasing customer engagement and sales. In conclusion, The integration of AI-based technologies and solutions into maintenance across sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and consumer products is revolutionizing how businesses operate. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential for industries to invest in and embrace these technologies. By doing so, they can stay ahead of the curve, provide better products and services, and contribute to a more sustainable and efficient future. The transformative power of AI is undeniable, and its potential to reshape industries is only beginning to be realized. And that wraps up our video. We hope you found this exploration of how AI is transforming maintenance tasks and operational efficiency across various industries informative. Remember, the integration of AI technologies into maintenance is revolutionizing how businesses operate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest trends and insights in the world of maintenance and reliability. For more information and resources, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.